Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for Taco Bell Copycat homemade Mexican pizza. For this recipe, you'll need vegetable oil, Copycat Taco Bell pizza sauce, diced Roma tomatoes, Taco Bell Copycat taco meat, refried beans, shredded cheese, and flour tortillas. Let's start out by making Copycat Taco Bell beef taco meat. For this meat, you'll need ground beef, water, paprika, dried minced onion, garlic powder, onion powder, sugar, flour, kosher salt, accent, which is completely optional, and chili powder. Begin by browning the ground beef in a skillet or large pan. You may not be using this much ground beef, but I was serving a homemade Taco Bell themed party, which I highly recommend. It was a lot of fun. Once the ground beef is browned, strain the meat and return the ground beef to the skillet. Next, mix in the Taco Bell meat seasonings, stirring to fully incorporate, and then pour in the water. Using a meat masher, begin breaking up all of the meat until it resembles the consistency of Taco Bell ground beef. If you need to, add a little more water as this will help break down the meat. Now let's make the Taco Bell Copycat Pizza Sauce. For this Mexican pizza sauce, you'll need jarred pizza sauce, taco sauce, enchilada sauce, and green chilies. Pour the ingredients into a bowl and whisk until thoroughly combined. Be sure to heat your refried beans so they are ready for the pizza. Best of luck getting them out of the can. Begin prepping the flour tortillas by poking holes in them so they don't puff up during the frying process. I use a wooden skewer and keep it handy during frying as well. Add your preferred frying oil to an 11-inch cast iron skillet over medium heat and then check the temperature to be sure it's around 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry each tortilla. Once the first side begins to brown around the edges, flip it over and fry for about another minute. Check to be sure it's fried enough, but not overdone. If you see bubbles forming too big, go ahead and pop those with your skewer. Remove the tortillas to a cooling rack over a sheet pan to drain and cool. Just a quick reminder before we continue with the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Once the tortillas are cooled, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and begin building the pizzas, starting with one layer of refried beans spread on the bottom pizza shell. Next, spread a layer of taco meat on the beans and top it with the next pizza shell. Add an even layer of Mexican pizza sauce over the top shell and sprinkle with shredded cheese. Once the oven has come to temp, place your Mexican pizza in the oven until the cheese is fully melted. Remove the pizza from the oven and top with your favorite toppings slice, and serve. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Copycat Mexican Pizza turned out. And as usual, happy cooking.